What if your next Boise home meant no projects, no yard work, and no freeway commute? This one just might be it. This home in Southeast Boise, it just gets it right. 4 bedrooms, almost 2,800 square feet, recently constructed so everything still feels brand new. Step inside and it opens right up. Luxury flooring, designer accent walls, recessed lighting on dimmers so you can set the mood at any time of the day. And now the kitchen. This one is a showstopper. Bosch appliances, a chef's countertop range, cabinets that run all the way to the ceiling, and a walk-in pantry. And here's my favorite part. There's a bedroom and a full bath on the main level. It's perfect for guests, it's perfect for parents that may need to move in, and it's perfect for anyone who just doesn't want to climb the stairs. Upstairs, the primary suite feels like a spa. A deep soaking tub, a custom tiled shower, dual vanities, and a walk-in closet. And then step outside, a fully turfed backyard so you never have to mow again, an extended patio for hanging out, and 2 community pools, both within walking distance. All of this is just minutes from Micron, the Greenbelt, and downtown Boise without ever touching the interstate. Come see this one before it's gone.